Hello everyone, it's Colette, and today we're going to be working on this Peacock Swirl Water Marble using the Holo Light Mode collection. If you love nail art, be sure you're subscribed to my channel, My Simple Little Pleasures, and if you'd like to see how I did this, just stay tuned. Starting out with clean dry nails, we're going to begin with a base coat. Today I'm using Holo Peely Base, and you can use whichever is your personal favorite. For today's water marble, I'm going to be using 3 colors from the Holo Light Mode collection. The purple is Flash Drive, the blue is Wireless Mode, and the teal is Light Link. And for my base color, I'm going to be using Holo Royalty Blue. Once that is applied, I'm going to be protecting around my nails using liquid latex as well as tape. As usual for a water marble, I'm working in a 5-ounce paper cup filled with room temperature filtered water. Once the bullseye is built, I'm going to try and make sure the sides are anchored to the cup, and then I'm going to be drawing in some curved petals. Once the design is finished, I'm going to line up my nails and dip them in. For this cup, I'm going to be dipping my 3 middle nails. I'm going to use my orange stick to clean up any extra polish on the surface so that it doesn't stick to my nails. And then once that's done, I'm going to slowly pull them out and remove the protection. Once I've marbled any nails, I'm going to move on to my cleanup. I've got a Q-tip for any larger areas with polish, as well as any spots under my nails. And then I'm going to be going in with a small brush and acetone around the edges. Once I'm done with cleanup, I'm going to finish with a top coat, and as usual, I'm using Seche Vite. So here's the finished manicure, and I really love how this turned out. I did receive the Light Mode collection as PR, and as soon as I got it, I pretty much knew I wanted to give it a try with the water marble. These colors really change how they look depending on the base color, and if you'd like to see some of the testing with different base colors, as well as the rest of the extended tutorial and my unboxing and first impressions of the collection, that will be up here on YouTube shortly. And if you'd like to join me live for nail art, you can come follow over at twitch.tv/ColetteMSLP. I'd love to hear what you think of this down in the comments. I hope you all enjoyed, and if you did, I hope you'll leave a thumbs up. And of course, as always, thanks for watching.